Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking today at MicroStrategy stock, which on Friday was down by 0.2%. We're asking the question as to what could come here next into the upcoming week with this particular stock. If it sounds good, please make sure to leave a like and subscribe. As always though, please do remember this video is not financial advice, and I am not a financial advisor. Now, jumping straight in, a few things stand out to me. I'm very impressed with how the stock began to move up in the last week or so. The question after we dropped out of this historical range of strength was, where do we go? We saw the stock drop well into the 300 range, actually down to 290s I should say, before rebounding very strongly. Now, things become very interesting as we are coming up to and have actually bounced off of a key level of resistance that we've seen 3 times now. You're looking at ranges around about 358. Again, you're seeing this here, you're seeing this here, you're also seeing this here too. So the question is, are we able to go up and retest this? Now I think here, so far, it does appear that we are building a relatively strong base to potentially retest. And if we do retest, especially having bounced off of this 3 times, especially if we break above this, right, the question is, where do we go? Are you looking up to the 372 range? Are you looking potentially onto the 380, 390 range from there? Well, all of that is, of course, a possibility. But I do think that is a little bit off in the distance right now. My concern is whether we actually drop. So levels that I'm looking for to the downside, 345, 345.50. Levels to the upside initially are at 353. Levels past that, as I say, are up in the 357 range, with 358, in my opinion, up to 360, confirming a potential breakout. And I've been saying this for a long time, right? 360, 365, in my humble opinion, is the sign of a breakout on this stock. Now to the downside, a few levels to look out for. You're looking to see if we hold supports at 339, 336, 335, and below that going back down to the 324, 325 range. Now of course that is less than ideal, but again it is a historically strong range. I would like to see this one move up, right? That's my objective for this week, but I just give you guys all of the levels that I am looking for. Again, both to the upside and the downside. So I'd love to hear your thoughts and opinions on this down in the comments. Thank you for your time, and goodbye for now.